Hi everyone, in today's lesson 4 we are going to look at bonding and molecular structure. Bonding and molecular structure play a crucial role in organic chemistry as they determine the properties, reactivity and behavior of organic compounds. There are key concepts related to bonding and molecular structure in organic chemistry. The first one is covalent bonding. Compounds primarily form covalent bonds where atoms share electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. Covalent bonds are formed through the overlap of atomic orbitals, resulting in the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. The second one is Lewis structures. Lewis structures are diagrams that represent the arrangement of atoms and the distribution of electrons in a molecule. They can also help illustrate the connectivity of atoms and the location of lone pairs and formal charges. The third one is functional groups. Functional groups are specific arrangements of atoms within a molecule that confer characteristics, chemical properties, and reactivity. This is very important. Examples include hydroxyl groups, carbonyl groups, and amino groups. The presence of different functional groups determines the behavior of organic compounds. The fourth one is molecular geometry. Molecular geometry refers to the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms in a molecule. It is determined by the arrangement of electron pairs around the central atom, influenced by the number of bonded atoms and lone pairs. Let's clearly look at functional groups. Functional groups are specific arrangements of atoms within organic compounds that determine their chemical properties and reactivity. They are also responsible for imparting characteristic features and behaviors to organic molecules. Some functional groups in organic chemistry include the first one, hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl group is present in alcohols and phenols. It imparts properties such as high polarity, the ability to form hydrogen bonds, and increase acidity. Hydroxyl groups are involved in reactions like dehydration, esterification, and oxidation. The number 2 is carbonyl group. The carbonyl group consists of a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen atom. It is present in aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, and amides. The presence of a carbonyl group affects the reactivity and polarity of these compounds. And carbonyl groups are involved in reactions like nucleophilic addition, oxidation, and reduction. The third one is carboxyl group. The carboxyl group is a combination of a carbonyl group of a hydroxyl group. It is found in carboxylic acids, which are acidic due to the presence of the COOH group. Carboxylic acids undergo reactions such as esterification, decarboxylation, and acid-base reactions. The fourth one is the amino group. The amino group consists of a nitrogen atom bonded to two hydrogen atoms. It is present in amides, and amino acids. Amino groups can act as bases, forming salts with acids. They undergo reactions like nucleophilic substitution, amidation, and condensation with carbonyl compounds. The fifth one is aldehyde group. The aldehyde group is a carbonyl group located at the terminal carbon of a carbon chain. Aldehydes are reactive and undergo oxidation, reduction, and nucleophilic addition reactions. The sixth one is ketone group. The ketone group is a carbonyl group located within a carbon chain. Ketones exhibit properties and reactions similar to aldehydes, such as nucleophilic addition and oxidation. The next one is ester group. The ester group consists of a carbonyl group bonded to an oxygen atom, which is further bonded to an alkyl or array group. Esters are commonly found in fragrances, flavors, and solvents. They undergo hydrolysis, transesterification, and future esterification reactions. The last one is amide group. The amide group contains a carbonyl group bonded to a nitrogen atom. Amides are present in proteins and are derived from carboxylic acids. They participate in reactions such as hydrolysis, condensation, and amidation. Generally, the reactivity of functional groups depends on electronic properties, steric hindrance, and neighboring groups. Our next class will be nomenclature, where we will treat systematic naming of organic compounds.